Good afternoon, everyone. How many of you have heard of a product called Atala? Point-to-point encryption, right? Host-based encryption. So that was HP's offering in security. That's how HP started with security 30 years back, right? And today, I'm putting up some statistics for all of you to have a look at. We actually are number one and number two in every market that we compete in, right? And I'm talking about both from a number perspective and also from a Gartner quadrant perspective. HP has 3 product offerings in the security space, namely ArcSight, Tipping Point, and Fortify. And they're number one and number two in every market that we compete in. We've got about 2.5 billion lines of code, which are under subscription from a application security perspective under the SaaS model. We've got over 10,000 customers from a managed security perspective, right? And we invest very, very heavily in research and development of these products, right? So HP is a pretty strong force to be reckoned with from a perspective of security, right? Now, very, very simple statement. Security is a board-level agenda. Why? Why is security a board-level agenda? Right? The loss that is happening due to cyber breaches or frauds are no longer small enough to be swept under the carpet, right? If you sweep them under the carpet, they're large enough to make a mound there and for someone to trip over them, right? So it is a board-level agenda. Every board that meets today talks about what are the initiatives that are happening on security. And that is basically giving a lot of visibility to security professionals, including the CISO, in every enterprise, right? And what we are seeing, again, I'm doing a very, very basic recap so that all of us understand the ground realities. The fact is that why is it that security is a board-level agenda? Security is a board-level agenda because of the nature of attack is changing. We keep hearing about APTs. We keep hearing about new ways of people trying to reach within your enterprises, to reach within your databases, to reach within your application logic and access information that they can play with and use for commercial gain, right? The second factor that is driving security investments is the transformation of IT. We've again heard this a lot of times. The one very famous and very common line that I like to use is BYOD. How do you ensure that BYOD doesn't become bring your own disaster, right? Rather than bring your own device. So around us, IT is being transformed very, very rapidly and is moving into directions that we as end users are trying to keep pace with. Right? And the third part is compliance. I apologize, what you have in front of you today are more Western-driven compliances, but the fact is that the Indian government is driving compliance in a very, very big way. It's not only the Indian government, it is the agenda of various organizations within which are driving compliance and ensuring that the organization itself manages these compliances in a more stringent manner, right? Now, we keep hearing about APTs, we keep hearing about attacks. So what I would want to do next is actually give you an idea of what is that we are facing. Right? We keep hearing about it, that there are these bad people out there who are attacking your enterprises, whose sole interest is to reach information within the organization that they can utilize and sell, or utilize and bring bad name to your organization. So like the fact that we are trying to protect organizations like yours, there is an adversary ecosystem which is very, very well organized, right? And that adversary ecosystem is actually doing a lot of research before they are attacking you, right? Now, we all know this also, that these adversary ecosystems are as user-friendly as going and buying a malicious code off the rack and using it to hack into an organization, right? What happens once the research is done? Infiltration. Beyond infiltration, discovery, right? They capture information. Once they are inside your premises, what they will do is exfiltrate. And what is it that we are doing to disrupt their ecosystem? We are doing counterintelligence. And sounds like pretty much like a army operation, but that's actually reality. Because if they are organized, we have to be as organized to be able to counter them, right? What we are doing is counterintelligence. What we are doing is we are blocking the adversary access at the network layer, right? Once the adversary is in, and the fact is that you are getting hacked, everyone in this world is getting hacked, that's a straightforward truth. You have to find and remove the adversary. Beyond that, you got to secure your important asset. And that's as simple as, I'm sure a lot of speakers before me also would have mentioned this, you have to look at a risk-based approach. I like to quote a very common mythological instance from India, which goes as you can't do sagar ka manthan nahi kar sakte aap. What you have to do is you have to be focused about defining what is it that you want to protect within your organization, right? And what we do is once we know that information has gone out, we help you to mitigate that damage. That is what HP does today. How do we do that? Basically, HP addresses, the major capability weaknesses. We harden the attack surface for you. We improve the risk remediation, and we proactively protect information. So, I'm already getting signals about my time being up. So, I'm going to run through the next few slides, which are the product information fairly quickly. But do let me know if you have any questions. I will try to spend some time in the end to take questions, or we can meet outside in the open area. What HP does is basically protect your applications. We all know that 75% of the threat is at the application layer, right? Only 25% of our budgets are being spent today to protect the application layer. 75% of the money goes at the network layer, right? What we do is basically give you the ability to find, fix, and fortify your applications. We give you an SDLC cycle from a security perspective, and we do this using Fortify, right? The next problem is too much data, too many point security solutions, and no integrated intelligence. What we deliver using ArcSight is security information and event management. We give you the ability to capture any sort of data and then do event correlation or log management over and above that. Besides these key functionalities, what we also help you do is user monitoring, right, and controls monitoring. The fraud monitoring and application monitoring is something that are coming up in a big way from our go-to-market perspective, right? The third problem, hardening the attack surface. You've got a lot of money invested at the network security layer, but a lot of threat is still entering your perimeter. What we do is basically provide you, again, a very simple solution. Dirty traffic goes in and clean traffic comes out. How do we do that? We are proactive, we lead with security, and we try to bring down costs for you, right? Now, every organization, every solution has to have a secret sauce. And what HP delivers, the solutions in the market, what we deliver with the solution in the market with, the secret sauce is our ability to actually give you global security research as it happens, as and when it happens. So basically, we're giving you an awareness of what are the current threats in the market, and how do we do that? We work with the various SANS, CERTs, organizations. We employ 1,650 researchers who work on a constant basis. We work with 2,000 plus customers who give us constant data on what are the attack vectors into their organizations. And we provide all this information to you through a service which lets you know what are the known malicious sites, content, et cetera, which are prevalent today before they actually hit you, right? And we've got a pretty strong research wing we've got our own priorities. We work with various vendors across the field. What we also do is we ensure that the content that arrives at your premises once you become a customer is valuable to you, right? And obviously, we ensure that there's enough information which is disseminated to you to be aware of what is it that is that you should be applying as a security posture to help your organization's well-being.